Hello everyone, I'm installing Manjaro Linux in VirtualBox, and as you can see the installation procedure is completed. I just have to restart now, but the problem here is that when I restart it's not showing the installation being completed. So let's go ahead and restart and let's see how to fix this particular issue. So I'm clicking done. So as you can see it is restarting now. During the installation I had mentioned the username and the password to log in, but none of that is appearing on the screen, and straight away I'm able to log in. So that means the installation is not really successful. Okay, so even though the installation success was displayed on the screen the previous time, now when I restart, I am asked to install Manjaro Linux once again. So this is the issue. Now let's see how to fix this. First of all, you need to close it and power off the machine. Click OK. And now here, go to Settings and go to Storage and click on this ISO file and remove the storage attachment. So it will ask for the confirmation, just click on remove, and as you can see the ISO file has been removed, and click on OK. Now click start. Okay, so as you can see the login screen has come, and this means the installation is actually successful. And now let's log in and confirm that we don't have to install it anymore. Okay, so as you can see now, if there is no option to install Manjaro Linux or anything as such, you can start using Manjaro Linux. Thank you so much for watching the video.